So as I turn it on, you guys can see it has started the compression, how it compresses and goes back. You guys can see that here. Guys, if you are feeling too much pain in your knees, or if someone from your family is going through knee pain, and if you or that person needs help to massage the knee, and if you are hiring someone every single day to give you knee massage and you are paying a high price to that person, then guys, you can definitely invest in a knee massager like this. Because guys, this massager fits on the knee perfectly. It also has the heat function guys, which will give you the hot water bag effect on the knee. And that's not it guys, it will also give you the compression, the massage effect from sideways, and it is like somebody is massaging your knee guys, along with the heat therapy. And guys, that's not it, it also has the vibration function, and when it does that guys, it increases your blood flow in your knees, it will reduce the stiffness, and it will potentially reduce the pain in your knees guys by targeting the muscles and joints around your knees, and it will leave you relaxed. And yes guys, I am talking about Houzaide's knee massager. So we will be unboxing this knee massager in this video. We will test it out to the limits. I have some secrets to share with you, because I not only tried this knee massager on my knees, I tried them in some other parts of the body as well, and it worked like wonder. So it is going to be a very interesting video, so see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Welcome back guys. Now this massager is a multifunctional knee massager, and guys, it is designed to relieve soreness, pain and discomfort. So before we go any forward, let's do the unboxing of this massager. Let's see what is inside the box. Let's see what the massager comes with, and then later on in this video I will show you guys how to use it and test it to the limits. So come close and let's do the unboxing. So guys, this is how the box look like, and on the box it is written right here hot compress, then it is written here 3D human hand like massage, then it is written here vibration massage, the next one is time control, then they claim that this massager has 3 gear strength, it has a touchscreen display, a battery display, and this massager is a rechargeable massager. If we rotate the box, then on this side of the box it is written smart knee massager now with advanced features, airbag massage and hot compress. And if you rotate the box further, then you will see the model number of this massager, what type of charger it needs, the weight of the massager and the color of the massager. So come on guys, now let's open the box and let's see what is inside. Now to tell you the truth guys, I'm also very excited to do the unboxing and to check out what comes out from this box. Now as I open this box, the first thing what I got is the manual of this massager. Now it is very important guys to read the manual first, because every company has its own instructions. So it becomes very important to read all the instructions. So as I quickly went through the instructions, I saw that this massager has a USB-C type port, which is a very good thing. And they have also mentioned on the manual here to use the charger which has come with the massager. Now this massager needs a 5-volt charger guys. You can even use the charger that you use to charge your phone, but it should be a 5-volt charger. You can't use the fast charging chargers on this guys, otherwise you will ruin the battery. The next thing that I saw in the box was the warranty card, and this is the warranty card guys. Keep it safely when you buy this product. Then the next thing what came up was a flyer where all of Houzaide's products were displayed. They have many types of massagers guys. You can check that out on this leaflet. Then inside the box there was this charger. It is a 5-volt charger and Houzaide is written on it. Then the next thing that I found inside the box is the charging cable. And this time guys, the charging port on this massager is the USB-C type port, which is very good, because USB-C is getting universal day by day, and you will have many USB-C type cables in your house already guys. So let's keep that aside and let's take out the massager. So it comes nicely wrapped up like this. Let me take it out. Once I took it out, this is what it looks like guys. It looks premium, looks like a helmet, but the quality is very good guys. Let me tell you that the product quality of Houzaide is very good. They come up with these premium products with a nominal price. And just have a look at how big display it comes with, guys. It is very easy to understand. The middle button here is the power button. You will have to press it for 3 seconds and it will turn on. Again, if you press it and hold it, it will turn off. I will explain to you all the functions further in this video, guys, so keep watching. Now on the back side of this massager, there are 2 belts like this. So these belts you will have to take around your legs and you will have to pass them through these loops first, and it has a velcro, so you can stick it like this. Now the massager comes with a USB-C type port. You guys can see that here. And this is how the massager looks like from outside, guys. Now I will turn the massager on and we will see what happens when the massager is on. We'll check out all the functions before putting it on our knees, guys. So as I turn it on, you guys can see it has started the compression. How it compresses and goes back, you guys can see that here. And it is a very tight compress, guys. The motors are very powerful. Then on the top part here I can feel the vibrations and the heat is coming from these sides, guys. So there we have checked out this massager in and out. Now we'll wear this massager. We'll see how to wear it. Then I'll show you all the functions and let's see what type of massage it gives then. So there you have it. You saw what it came with. Now I will show you how to put this massager on your knee and how to start using it. So here we have 2 views, one from the front and one from the side. So this is the massager. Now the display of the massager should be on the top like this, guys, because when it is like this, the display is very nicely visible and you can operate the massager very easily. Then pass the belts around your legs and pass it through the loops. Tighten it as much as you want and stick the velcro. Now the massager is in place, guys. So the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to turn the massager on. So press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and the massager will turn on. Once the massager turns on, I will explain to you the 4 settings on this. Now this is the vibration, guys, and it is on speed 1. Once you press this button again, it will go on speed 2, and if you press it once again, it will go on speed 3. So now the vibration is on full speed. The next thing that we have here is the setting for the compression, and on this setting the massager will decide how it will compress your feet or how it will massage your feet. At the moment the compression power is on force 1. If you press the air button again, then it will massage a little bit harder, and again if you press the air button, then it will give you a very tight massage. So at the moment it is on full massage power. Now this display is a touch display, guys. You don't have to press the buttons, you just have to touch them. So keep the display clean and always wipe it with a clean cloth and see that you don't use a wet cloth. Then the next button here is the timer. Once you touch this, you have 2 timer options, guys. One is 10 minutes and one is 15 minutes. You guys can see that here. But if you touch here, nothing will change. You will have to touch the timer button, and when you do that, it will change the time settings. You can either keep it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It totally depends on you. And the last thing that we have here is the heat setting. When you turn the massager on, it will be on the lowest heat setting. Then if you touch the heat setting button once, it will go on mid heat. And if you touch it again, then it will go on full heat. And if you see on the right hand top corner, then you will notice that it shows how much battery is left. So once you fully charge this massager, I think you can at least use it for an hour. And when the massager is massaging your knee, it will come up and down like this. Now it looks as if I'm moving my leg, but I'm not moving it by myself, guys. It is the massager that is doing the movement. I have increased the speed of the video here so that you guys can see the movement. Otherwise it is a very slow movement, guys. It is not this fast. Guys, while I was using this massager on my knee, one idea popped up in my mind and I asked myself, can I use this on my elbow? Can I use it on my shoulder? So I tried it on, guys, and it worked. So that is what exactly I'm going to show you now. So first I will put this massager on my elbow, and then later on I will show you how to put this massager on the shoulder as well. On the elbow it is very easy to place. So if you are facing a problem with the elbow joint, or if you are facing an issue with the elbow, and many people have shoulder issues as well, I know that shoulder issues are very common, so you guys can use it on the shoulders as well. To put it on the elbow, it is very simple, guys. You just have to place your elbow inside the massager like this. Then in a similar way, you'll have to strap your elbow with the bands that are provided by the massager. Just put it inside the loop and strap it up. Once you strap it up, it gets slightly difficult to turn the massager on. It is normal, guys, because this massager is not designed for this. This is my personal hack. So this is how we'll have to put the massager on, by twisting your hand a little bit like this, or you can tell somebody to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it will start with the normal massaging process, and that is how simple it is, guys. So I will stop the massager now and I will show you guys how to place it on your shoulders. Okay guys, now I'm excited to try it out on my shoulders. So guys, for the shoulders actually you need a long belt. Houzaide, if you are listening to this video, then please give an extra belt that can go around a person like this, so that they can use this massager for the shoulder as well without any problems. I'm doing this just to show you guys that you can even use this on the shoulders, and you just have to place the massager like this. Now, if you have a belt that will go around like this, then it would be better. Otherwise this massager can fall down like this. But I will just put it in place and I will show you guys how I do it. First I'll pass these things and I'll keep, otherwise becomes slightly tough. Hope you guys can see me doing it. If you guys can see. Now this belt should go around, guys, but since it is not that long, it will not go around. So I will put it from this side only, and because the belt is not too long and I have to put it here only, now I cannot put my shoulder down. I will have to keep it on the table like this so that it stays like this, otherwise it will come down, guys, like this, because this band should actually go around your shoulder part like this. Now once it is on the shoulder, you can turn it on here. Okay, now it is on. Everything is on, so I will have to keep my hand like this, guys, till the massage is over, and it is now nicely massaging my shoulder. Can you believe it? It only needs that belt, guys, so that you can use it properly without any problem, and by putting your hand down. So this is what it looks like from the side. If you look on top, this is what it looks like. If you guys can see, it is working. And now it is massaging my shoulder. Now this thing has popped up in my mind suddenly, guys. That's why I'm directly sharing it with you guys, so that you can also, if you have this one already, then you can make good use of it by using it for your shoulders and for your elbows also. So that's Houzaide's massager for you guys. One massager with multiple uses. I'm just loving them and I am using them every day now, guys. Okay, for the video sake, I will turn this massager off at the moment. Otherwise, it will take a long time for this video to get over. Okay, there you have it, guys. So now it's time for the verdict, guys. I tried this massager in and out. You guys already saw it. I tried it on my knees, I tried it on my elbow, I tried it on the shoulders, and every day I was trying it out these days. I just place it on my knees and I do my work, and as I'm doing my work, I'm getting nice massage for my knees, and I'm enjoying that as well, guys, because I spend a lot of time sitting and do the editing of the videos. You guys know that already. So while I'm doing my work, it keeps me relaxed because it massages my knee, it hits up my knee, and it also gives nice vibrations in my knee, guys. Now if in your family, if anybody is facing knee problems or knee issues, then definitely I would suggest this product, guys. It will definitely give you some relief in your pain. So if you like this product, guys, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out. You can buy it from Amazon or you can buy it from their own website. If you go on their own website, then you will get a little bit amount of discount if you go through the link that I will provide you in the description. So check the rate on both the sites, and wherever you get the better deal, you can buy from there. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, especially if in your family, if somebody is facing knee issues, or if you know somebody who is facing knee issues, then you can share this video with that person, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed, so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.